Last year, DirecTV and Viacom had a dispute like this where DirecTV pulled Viacom off the air for 10 days. A few years before, News Corp pulled Fox off the air. That was the last major broadcast station to go off the air from a cable company. That lasted about 2 weeks. So that's the range that we're dealing with here. Now, there is sort of a mythical endpoint here, I think, and that may be when the NFL season starts, because CBS has NFL football games, and those are very highly rated, huge, passionate fan base, the type of people that would actually cancel Time Warner Cable if they still weren't broadcasting CBS shows.
Right.
So right now is really sort of a good time.
So that's almost a month away, though.
It's almost a month away, right. So there's a little bit of wiggle room here, I think, to get a deal done in terms of popular programming. Now, CBS does have some very popular shows on the air. Under the Dome, this new summer series, has gotten very high ratings. Of course, they have 60 Minutes, David Letterman, shows that people want to watch. Tiger Woods won his tournament this past weekend, yesterday. That aired on CBS, so Time Warner Cable customers couldn't see it.
That, yeah.
And yet, in the summer is a decent time to do one of these battles, because Time Warner Cable probably thinks they're going to limit the churn away to competitors.
I see. So okay, so break down for us where the fight is. How much is CBS? How much is Time Warner Cable or CBS asking for, and how much is Time Warner willing to pay? Right.
So right now, what sources have told us is that Time Warner Cable wants $1 per subscriber per month. So for everyone that has a bundled up CBS in their channel lineup, it would be $1, and CBS wants $2.
Okay.
But it isn't quite as simple as that, because there's a lot of other things that go into the bundle that determine it. So it's not just a flat $1, a flat $2. For instance,
so it's not like let's meet in the middle at $1.50.
There's a bunch of there's a bunch of things that go into that. One of them is streaming rights in and out of the home. So Time Warner Cable wants these rights. They want to be able to offer CBS on their mobile application, so you can go to TWC TV and you can watch CBS in and out of the home. It's a really good retention tool for them. CBS says, well, all right, we'll give you that, but you got to pay $2. You have to pay the high-end price. And if you don't, forget it, no deal. And so that's sort of where the haggling is right now. How much is going to go into that all-in bundle when they finally come to an end price?
Now, what about Jim Dolan from Cablevision saying, look, you know, maybe I'll just forego TV and these fights that I have to go through with these networks anyway, and let me just go straight into broadband. That's a possibility. You expect other cable CEOs to start talking like that?
They might. This is not going to happen anytime soon. I think what Jim Dolan is talking about is we're already seeing the transition of TV becoming all digital, all IP-based, internet protocol. So it goes, so as TVs become smart TVs, your TV box is going to become more and more of a computer/television. I mean, it's going to be internet connected, and therefore video is going to be on the internet. So we're going to see more and more companies perhaps get into the content business, Apple, Google, Sony, Intel, and as these companies start to offer TV programming, which is significantly less margin than broadband, the cable companies can say, all right, fine, we'll just charge you more for broadband, get more higher margins on it, and we'll let those other companies take the video distribution.